So I think today, Sylvester sir, maybe we can do one thing. If someone is interested to share something, maybe we can unmute him or her, right?
Yeah.
अगर कोई कुछ कहना चाहता है, not more than 2 minutes, I think 1 या 2 मिनट में कोई बात अपनी कहना चाहता है, तो maybe he can share his experience. अगर कोई कहना चाहता है, कुछ बोलना चाहता है, तो प्लीज सिल्वेस्टर सर को रिक्वेस्ट करें, वो आपको अनम्यूट करेंगे. He will keep you on mute, and then you can have your experience with the rest of the team members. So I think Sahil, Sylvester sir will update you around that. Okay, yeah. So is there anyone who is willing to say something? Yeah, Monil will bring that project season very soon on neural networks and deep learning. We'll bring that one. Anyone willing to say something? कोई भी क्या भैया, सब सो गए क्या? मतलब इच्छाएं सारी मर चुकी हैं, मतलब है कोरोना में. सर कोई आ रहा है आपके पास?
I think so. Ishika, do you want to say? Should I unmute you? Ishika Jain, can you confirm? Okay, let me unmute.
Yeah, Tala is saying, sir, I have already spoken yesterday. Yeah, Tala, you have already spoken yesterday. Thanks for that.
Yeah, Ishika, I have unmuted you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I think so. Next is Vaishali. Vaishali, I'll unmute you. Don't worry.
Sir, it was a nice experience for working on a real client project, and you guided us very well. And since it was my first project, so I wish I could do better in this. So in this field, I mean.
What you like the most, Ishika, out of this project? The problem statement, the solution approach, the wireframe concept, the training concept, then your solo development, then the step-by-step development I did for you people. So what
Sir,
exactly?
earlier I was a bit confused. I was scared, like, how will I do this project alone? And you said that you will do that, have some confidence. That motivated me well.
So I think this is the story with almost everyone. Even in the
Everybody, yeah.
yesterday's webinar we were conducting for launch of season 5. Almost everybody was kind of scared, right? कि सर क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा या कर पाऊंगी, सर मुझे तो इतना ही आता है, मैंने अभी तक ये किया नहीं है, right? So I think वो एक फर्स्ट स्टेप जो लेने का जरूरत है, वो once you take that a first step, I think journey becomes easy
Yes,
than
sir.
what you thought, right? तो एक बार वो थोड़ा सा उस कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आने की जरूरत होती है, and then I think you can do lot of things. मतलब ये कोई ऐसा बहुत नहीं था कि कोई चांद पे जा रहे हो तुम लोग, ऐसा तो नहीं था कि भाई चंद्रमा पे या मंगल पे भेजा जा रहा है, बट वो हम अपने ऐसा विसिनिटी ऐसी देखते हैं जहाँ पे हमें लगता है कि यार नहीं, हम नहीं कर पाएंगे यार, मैंने तो कभी ऐसा किया ही नहीं. तो ये आई थिंक दैट इज अ वेरी कॉमन प्रैक्टिस इन इंडिया. हमारी सोसाइटी थोड़ी इस तरीके की है जहाँ पे ऐसी चीजें होती हैं. But anyway, congratulations.
So,
And
there are a lot of other peoples also in waiting, sir. So I'll unmute.
okay, yeah, please.
Thank you, Ishika. Okay,
Welcome.
I'll unmute the next person.
Yes,
That's Vaishali. Just a minute, Vaishali. Yeah, Vaishali.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Actually, I wanted to say, I wanted to be very frank about this. I'm in MCA second year right now, but I was really very confused about what domain I should be. So I had a senior in my college who asked me to work on both, like web development and data science. Like I was partially sure that I would go for data science. Then I was not finding a particular platform where I could learn Python very properly. So my friend referred to me this Force Coding School. So then I joined the 6 days training, which was there on AI and ML. So there I learned a lot about artificial intelligence and basically Python. Then I just want, and my senior also suggested me, if you want to be really very good, you have to get into the projects. So I come from a background where I can't like pay a very high price to any projects.
Mhm.
So, but this was really like, this was the best I could say, with a very minimum cost. And I remember Yogendra sir had said us that you just pay off at KFCs and McDonald's for like so much of money. Why can't you pay here? So that really was motivating as such for me. So I forced my dad to pay for this, and I was like, yeah, I have to do this. But then after seeing the प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट आई वाज रियली स्कैर्ड कि ये कैसे हो जाएगा, मतलब क्या करूंगी मैं. आई कुड नॉट. देन the way you taught Sylvester sir was like I could go through the small things, small parts I was doing. It was really very encouraging for me and motivating. I'm looking forward more projects now.
Good, good.
ये ऐसा नशा है, एक बार लग जाए ना तो पीछा नहीं छोड़ता, बिकॉज यू गेट अ सेंस ऑफ अचीवमेंट एवरी डे. यार मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, मैं भी ये कर सकता हूँ. तो तुम खुद ही कर सकते हो, तुम्हें फिर फास्ट की जरूरत नहीं है, तुम खुद ही छलांगे मारते हुए आगे जाओगे लाइफ में. चलो, थैंक यू वैशाली.
Thank you so much, sir.
Next is Surya Kumar. Yeah. Just a minute. Yeah, just a minute. Surya, I'm not able to.
Hello.
Yeah, Surya, we can hear you.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, Surya.
Actually, I am an employee from Reserve Bank of India as a technical department of data various architect and ETL department.
क्या बात भैया, आरबीआई वाले हमारे साथ हैं तो कुछ हमारे मतलब मतलब सब ठीक है, हमारे एंड में कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है.
That's very good, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. But I'm not up to you much, sir. So actually, I don't know any kind of technical languages where you started from Python, everything. My background is on ETL ab initio.
Okay.
I don't know why. That's while I was doing that work, I'm not getting interest on that. So I want to choose particular domains or where I can start. I don't know. Scrolling the Instagram, I've seen a post like that. Somebody like Sylvester and along with some other team formed a Force Coding School. That's really feeling nice to me. And I have started that. The first thing I have to tell you was I might have been met you before while I was doing my graduation. That's a mistake I did. Huh? And now while I'm practicing my things in Python, yeah, it's really, I have already joined too many courses before. And they are teaching us and leaving us, teaching us, leaving us, teaching. I literally forgetting everything what they have taught me. While doing this session, the task you are giving to me, that really, I really remember what you taught me on the first day itself. That's really, I will thankful to the team. And I personally want to talk, thanks to the people personally, like Samaya Ishika Jain and Bijal and Parth Gupta, Ishwar T. Personally, these are the people who helped me throughout the project a lot. And Sylvester sir, please intimate me whatever kind of courses you are doing further. I will be in that session.
Sure.
I will be.
And
Thank
I think
you.
so. I think so, Surya. You have taken a very good point. See, the community what we are trying to build will help each other, and
Yes,
I think
yes.
so. This community of around 90 people, what was active out of 250. I think so. We were around 250 people on the Slack group, the
Yes.
channel. But I think so. 90 people were very active who was there in the project. And the names what you have taken, okay, really these people really helped each other, and it was a wonderful and an awesome experience for us also, Surya.
Yes, yes. They are they are too spontaneous and they are giving
Yes.
reply to me as immediate as they can. They
Yes.
helped me a lot, sir. Really,
Because
they
there's a fundamental thing, Surya. If I help somebody else, I also learn the same way. Okay? So it
Yes,
is
yes.
very important that when you help somebody else, you also learn something new. If you keep this in mind, you'll always do a good learning in yourself.
That's the best thing we have to learn from this thing.
And I think so. There are a lot of professionals in this guy who is not only students are there in this group who are doing this project season. People like Surya is there. Another person was there. Rajkumar, I think so. There are a lot of
Raghavendra.
people. Raghavendra. There are a lot of people who are from the industry background, having 14 years of experience, and they have joined our project season, and they were really satisfied out of it. Thank you, Surya.
Yeah, and one of the thing I have
Even
recently
Raj.
completed my intern. I mean that programming like Python session recently. We have conducted last week. Yeah, one of the person in that because I want to learn
Yeah. Surya,
more
you
and
were
more.
there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You were nice connecting with you, sir. I really thankful for you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Surya.
Thank you.
Yeah. So that's good, and I think kudos to the members. The Surya was like naming Diesel, Ishika, Parth, Ishwar, और भी कुछ नाम थे उसका मैं भूल गया हूँ. I'm sorry for that, but I think ये अच्छी चीज है. That's a very good a practice actually. हेल्प करना उसे खुद का एक सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस खुद का बढ़ता है. दूसरे की हेल्प तो होती है, बट आई थिंक पहला जो सेंस आपको फील होता है कि अरे यार आज तो मैंने इसकी हेल्प की. आई थिंक वो जो फीलिंग है वो बहुत ही बहुत ही स्ट्रांग होती है, and that gives you a positivity in your personality as well.
So next is Dinesh, sir. Okay, Dinesh, I'm unmuting you.
Good evening, everyone, and good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir,
Good evening, Dinesh. Yeah.
I'm PGDM student from Lloyd, Ghaziabad, and I'm doing in the course is Business Analytics.
Okay.
The first thing I would like to tell is the person to whom I'm thankful is who forwarded folks message to me for the project, and the second credit goes to all the folks team and the teachers. Let me just tell you one thing, sir. If you would have shown us the complete project in the starting, the codes, I bet that I would have left the session. But the approach that Sylvester sir took by preparing it in such a way that it was found so much easy for each and every one of us, and it was so much fascinating working with the new dash, the new tool, rather than working on the same tool like Tableau or other similar tools to that. And the price, if I talk about it, was like very much negligible. No one would have just ignored that particular price. And it's always not about the price, but it's always about the knowledge that you are providing. And Sylvester sir taught me one best thing, that our college people, our teachers, I have never learned from anywhere, that how we define the function in such a easy way. Everyone just teaches us the basics, and they never let us to put our hands on a real time projects, which makes us very much confusing because students know the basic but they cannot approach to make the program. This is the very much issue
Yeah, I think so,
found.
Dinesh. And if you everybody remembered, I told you also, I'll teach you people how to make a project. That was a very fundamental. I think so. Now you people know how to make a project. So in your life, if any project comes, okay, you will be able to solve that in a very incremental fashion. That's very important.
That's very true, sir. And after all, you have all of the student community's respect, and we all hope best for your organization as well. And we would like to be a part of your more projects. That's it, sir.
Thank you, Dinesh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dinesh, and good luck. Thank you. Yeah. So I
Next
think
is Shrika.
Dinesh has also a very strong message, right? कॉलेज की दुनिया तो अलग ही है, उसका तो क्या कंपैरिजन करो. कॉलेज इज फॉर फन, राइट? कॉलेज इज फॉर कैंटीन, कॉलेज इज फॉर फ्रेंड्स ओनली. वो अच्छे बन जाएं तो आगे की लाइफ इजी होती. चलिए, गुड. आगे नेक्स्ट.
So I think so. Next is Shri Kakula. So
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
It was a nice experience being here at this project season, and it also gave us lots of confidence that we can do like these things and all. And the people on the Slack were continuously replying and helping to us. Even the method that Sylvester sir taught us was very easy and comfortable to follow.
That's good.
Yeah, so looking forward for more sessions like this and to explore and improve our skills. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
थैंक यू। ये तुम लोगों की बातें सुन के तो सिल्वेस्टर सर में हमारा भी कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया है। चलिए,
Next
गुड
is
गुड।
Sania Tare. Sania, I have unmuted you.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, I want to say it was a great opportunity for us. My friend Kritika told me about this, and I'm thankful to her also. And it was a very good experience. Though in the beginning I was doubtful that could I complete the project or not, but sir told us that you can do that, and finally I completed that project. So thank you, sir. And even I'm a fourth year student, so this project helped me in internship and placements also. So thank you.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Sania.
right. So Kritika has become our secret ambassador actually, right? And we came to know today. Thank you, Kritika.
So guys, I have created a